In this video, I check out the Theremin that is included in the Nada library. You can control the vibrato with the mod wheel. I'm going to link the expression to CC number 1 as well, so I can control the vibrato and the dynamics with my expression pedal. Let's hear what it sounds like without the dream pad applied. It kind of also sounds like a playable saw, where people play a saw with a violin bow. And here you can control the glissando speed. If I turn it all the way up, it's probably going to be really slow. I'll put it back to its default. If I control click it, it's not going to a default. So let me just reset the instrument real quick. And here you can control the vibrato speed and amplitude. So let's turn the vibratos to 0 and the amplitude to 100%, see what happens. Let's make the vibrato speed really fast. Turn off the dream pad here. I think a UFO is coming in to land here. Thank you, Best Service, for sending me this library to take a look at. If you want to see more sample library reviews and virtual instrument reviews and demos and walkthroughs, then check out my YouTube channel. And consider subscribing so you can be notified when I release new content. Product links are in the video description. I have an affiliate with Best Service, so if you take the link and buy the product, I'll make a commission. Check out the next video in the Nada series.